A tornado warning has been issued from your area. Beep. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Algonquin to Elgin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Streamwood, Algonquin, Barrington, Cary, Lake Barrington, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, and East Dundee around 7:20 p.m. Lake Zurich, Inverness, Port Barrington, and Tower Lakes around 7:25 p.m. Wakonda and Hawthorne Woods around 7:30 p.m. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. & tornado. Radar indicated max hail size less than 75 in. Beep, 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 beep.